Bitcoin there made a couple of attempts to gain strength for a move above 27,500 resistance zone, but Bitcoin failed to continue, and we see the color on the market right now is most is mixed, basically. We see Bitcoin there, the only massive green, while other cryptos there quite red at this point. So it's like half Bitcoin taking the big shine there, then red throughout the market. So it gives us a sense of what's happening in the market. Let's look at the sentiment right now. Looking at the fear greed index, 47, nearing that 50-point level of 100. So we're neutral. So investors are not afraid or greedy at this point. They're somewhere marked in the middle at this point. Let's look at the top cryptocurrencies we track. Bitcoin, they're holding on at $27,000, Ethereum $1,600, and BNB $213 there, the token for the Binance Exchange, the native token there. XRP still holding that 51 cents level, above 50 cents, and Cardano 24 cents. Let's bring in Gilbert Jopatana, financial market analyst. Hello, Gilbert. Great to have you. Good morning. Hello, Gilbert. Hello, Gilbert. You might have to unmute.
Oh yes. Good morning, Mr.
Fantastic. Yeah, let's get you now, Gilbert. So yeah, we're talking about the Naira earlier in the show, and I did see yesterday on the P2P exchange there on Binance. I saw that Bitcoin and USDT was about 980 there. Now we make reference to the P2P exchange right now. What's driving sentiment in that P2P exchange, and is that good for us, at this point, seeing, what's happening with parallel markets, the official window, and now the P2P window? How are you seeing it?
I really think this is a negative update for the image of the Naira. But a lot of things is really happening. I really see that the Naira is heavily under pressure, and it's coming from two things. First of all, recently, I still think putting the Nigerian Stock Exchange in the unclassified list also have a little things to do with what's happening and also driving sentiments. But the major pressure the Naira is having is the free floating of the Naira. And this actually means that traders or people in the marketplace can actually price in their sentiments in the market. So a lot of pressure is mounted on the Naira, but beyond this, traders are heavily betting against the Naira. If you really look at what investor sentiment or trader sentiment, or those who are in the marketplace, they have been betting against the Naira and also looking forward to the Naira hitting 1,000 against the dollar long before now. So much of this is actually sentiments from financial market players that is really reflecting with what's happening with the Naira trading at 1,000 Naira against the dollar.
Yeah, on the P2P market there, that's a market we don't like to talk about pretty much. But Gilbert, I still believe in the Naira, and I believe that you do not bet against the Naira. The Naira will get strength at some point. But let's drill down now on the U.S. See the U.S. Fed. It was a hold, but it's been referred to as a hawkish hold. How's that impacting crypto in the short term and long term?
All right. Before this, I really believe that we just don't have to bet against the Naira. I really believe that the Naira will bounce back. The fact that it's a free-floating market means that we have a responsibility as citizens and also those who are in the marketplace to find ways to defend the market since it's free-floating. But beyond this, I know that traders will always look at where they could take advantage of volatility to make profit for themselves. But yesterday's interest rate decision to keep the interest rates unchanged actually comes with a kind of mixed sentiment, which is reflecting as well in the price of crypto in the marketplace. Before now, it's investors who stay on the sideline and try to watch what the Feds want to do. But this time around, it's the Feds that is on the sidelines and paying attention to inflation to know the appropriate rates they are going to use. But why keeping this rate unchanged is supposed to be positive on the on the short term to the price of crypto asset. There is actually a bigger picture. The Feds have reiterated again, we are going to keep increasing interest rates until we could have the inflation at about 2%. They have also let us know that even though this is going to be unchanged, we will likely see another rate hike before the year ends, and also some more moderate rates from next year. But then with what is happening, traders just had to understand that even though this is rate is being unchanged, there is also some a possibility of us having a slow bleed in the future. That's why sentiments with certain persons still had to put the market on a sell.
Right, I guess so much volatility right now in the currency market. We're definitely watching out for what plays out next. Thank you so much, Gilbert Rapata, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for having me.